Now, I mentioned that often if you rip a boot, you have to take the car apart to change it. What if you're out in the desert? What if you're in the sand? What if you're somewhere where you can't easily take the car apart and do it? There are what we call CV savers, which are generally, if you want to call them for another reason, boots that Velcro on and strap on, and they get you by. They'll get you by for the day. They generally look like this when they're installed. Some people run them all the time. I wouldn't suggest it. I'd suggest you just use them if you need them. And that's the seal saver. So that's generally all the boots. There are others, but that's the general ones that we use. Oh, I should mention one other one. Certain hubs that you have, like a Pro-Am hub, they'll use an internal boot with holes like this. That's usually on their midboard and outboards. So that will go on a different type of flange. That boot will go on there, and then the over boot will go on top. I don't happen to have one of those flanges on the table here, but that's generally the way it works. Okay, that's a little bit about boots.